Hi, boys and girls. I hope you're having a great evening. I'm sick as a dog right now, but I'm still going to power through it and show you the video on how to write a linear equation based on a given line that's on a graph. So as a review, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. M represents our slope, while B represents our y-intercept, where the line crosses the y-axis. So in our last unit, you were graphing the equation based on slope-intercept form. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to give you the line, and you're going to have to write the equation in slope-intercept form. So again, looking at our first example, M is our slope, B is our y-intercept. So looking at this line, I can see that my line is crossing my y-axis at -2. So my y-intercept, or my B, is -2. Then I'm going to find the slope of the line by using rise over run. So I'm going to rise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to run 1, 2, 3. So my y-intercept is -2. I'm going to plug it in where the y-intercept is located in my equation. And then my slope is 5/3. So I'm going to plug it in for M in my equation. So the equation of this line is y equals 5/3x plus -2. Let's look at another example. Again, where does the line cross the y-axis? The line crosses the y-axis at +2. The next thing I need to do is find the slope of the line. So I'm going to rise 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you'll also notice that this is a negative slope. So my slope has to be negative. So the equation of this line is y equals -3/6x plus 2, which is my y-intercept. Now this is a more, I'd say, fancy type of problem. Going back to our last unit, any horizontal line has a slope of 0. It crosses my y-axis at 5, so the y-intercept is 5. This equation can be simplified to y equals 5, because 0 times x will automatically result to 0. Therefore, it cancels out. So any line that's horizontal, it's going to be an equation where y is equal to where that line crosses the y-axis. Now, on the contrary, any vertical line gives us an undefined slope. Therefore, there is no y-intercept. So y doesn't exist. In this case, the equation of the line, because it crosses the x-axis, is going to be x equals where it crosses the x-axis, where in this case is -4. So the equation of this line is x equals -4. Now I want you to open up your graphic organizer to writing linear equations from a graph of 2 points. So I'm going to walk you through the steps. So the first step is you want to look and see where the line crosses the y-axis to get your y-intercept. So in this case, the line crosses my y-axis at 4. So my b is 4. Now I need to find my slope by using rise over run. So I'm going to rise 2 and run 3. And because it's a negative slope, I need to have my negative sign. Excuse me. So my slope is 2 over 3, and it's a negative slope. So the equation of this line is y equals 2 over 3 negative plus positive 4. Okay? So make sure you bring this graphic organizer into class tomorrow. If you need to rewind the video for more information or even more reinforcement, you may do so. All right? Have a good evening, everyone, and I will see you tomorrow.